Hello friends and students, welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning ma. Today's vocabulary: accede, A-C-C-E-D-E, augment, A-U-G-M-E-N-T, undermine, U-N-D-E-R-M-I-N-E, strenuous, S-T-R-E-N-U-O-U-S, strenuous. First one, accede means accept, to agree to a request, demand, any contract, agreement, we need to accept. That is what? Accede. That is accept. Synonyms: endorse, agree, assent, cooperate, consent, subscribe, concur with. One more word is there, acquiesce. That is been written here. So do remember this spelling ma. Very important one. Acquiesce. A-C-Q-U-I-E-S-C-E. So remember A-C-Q-U-I, acqui, you can easily remember. And both sides E in between, S-C will be there. E-S-C-E. Pronunciation is acquiesce, acquiesce. Right? So what is the meaning? Means accede means accepting. What is the meaning of acquiesce? Accept but unwillingly. Say that your parents ask something to do, or your friends say something to do, or your children ask something to do. So you may be having some other work, you accept it but unwillingly, right? So that is what we call it as acquiesce, without any protest. You say okay, we will do that one, like that we will say. That is what we call it as acquiesce. Clear? So it comes under synonyms, but a slight difference will be there between accede and acquiesce. So remember the spelling. Antonyms: refuse, deny, oppose, disapprove, condemn, disagree, dissent, forbid, impede, reject. All these comes under antonyms. Example: the management did not accede to the strike's demand. They may be asking more payment, so management is not willing. That is why management did not accede to the strike's demand. Next one, augment, supplement, enlarge, add to, expand. So make greater by adding to it, to increase the size or amount of something. That is what we say augment. So supplement, we need to take supplements regularly in addition to our regular food. That is what we say, right? If you go to the dietitian also, they will say that you need to take fruits, nuts, all these things, all the supplements you need to take. So that is what we call it as in increase the size or amount of something, or make greater by adding to it. So synonyms: enlarge, add to, expand, strengthen, multiply, build up, reinforce, increase. All these comes under synonyms. Antonyms: decrease, reduce, shrink, weak, shorten, degrade, decline. So example: Murthy is thinking about taking tuitions to augment his income. He may be doing some other job already. To augment his income, he is planning to take tuitions. So reading regularly will augment your vocabulary, right? Reading regularly will augment your vocabulary. One more example can be given, right? So now, undermine, subvert, sabotage, threaten, debilitate. That word already given ma. So remember that. Debilitate. Undermine means to gradually make someone or something less strong or effective. That is what the meaning of undermine. So subvert, sabotage, threaten, debilitate, attenuate, enfeeble, ruin, attenuate, extenuate. Already we discussed, right? So corrode, foil, thwart. Remember the word thwart, to stop something from happening. So R is silent there. So in spelling, thwart, T-H-W-A-R-T. And antonyms: enhance, improve, strengthen, assist, help, encourage, support, build, aid, relieve. All these relates to antonyms. Example: unfair criticism can undermine students' self-confidence. Very, very important, right? We need to always encourage the students' skills and all. The next one, strenuous, arduous, putting in lot of efforts. That is what call it as arduous. Difficult, hard, uphill, laborious, exhausting, Herculean task. We say that Herculean task, right? Difficult task. One more important word is there ma. Synonym: operose. Operose, O-P-E-R-O-S-E. So that is also putting in lot of efforts. Same, O-P-E R-O-S-E. Operose. Difficult, hard, uphill, operose, tough going, laborious, exhausting, Herculean, toilsome, toilful, all these comes under synonyms. Antonyms: easy, effortless, apathetic, unenthusiastic, lethargic, facile, trivial. That also relates to antonym only, unimportant, right? So that also comes here. Example: Ram must avoid strenuous activity until his knee heals properly. Can we sum it up? First one, accede, that is nothing but accept, to agree to, request or demand, go along with, endorse, agree, assent, cooperate, consent, subscribe, concur with, acquiesce, A-C-Q-U-I-E-S-C-E. What is the meaning of acquiesce? Accept but unwillingly, right? So slight difference is there. Accept unwillingly or reluctantly. Antonyms: refuse, deny, oppose, disagree, disapprove, condemn, dissent, forbid, impede, reject. All these comes under antonyms. Example: the management did not accede to the strike's demand. Augment, supplement. Synonyms: enlarge, add to, expand. So make greater by adding to it. In increase the size or amount of something. That is what we call it as augment. Synonyms: enlarge, add to, expand, increase, multiply, strengthen, build up, reinforce, develop. Antonyms: decrease, reduce, shrink, shorten, weak, lessen, diminish, degrade, decline. Example: Murthy is thinking about taking tuitions to augment his income. So reading regularly will augment your vocabulary. Undermine, subvert, to gradually make someone or something less strong or effective. So that is what we call it as undermine. Synonym: sabotage, threaten, debilitate, attenuate, extenuate, thwart. T-H-W-A-R-T, to stop something from happening. That is what thwart. Antonyms: enhance, improve, strengthen, assist, help, encourage, support, build. All this comes under antonyms. Example: unfair criticism can undermine students' self-confidence. Strenuous, arduous, putting in lot of efforts. Difficult, hard, uphill, laborious, exhausting, Herculean, operose. What is that one? O-P-E-R-O-S-E. So putting in lot of efforts. Antonyms: easy, effortless, apathetic, lethargic, enervated, facile, unenthusiastic, trivial, unimportant. That also can relate to antonyms. Example: Ram must avoid strenuous activity until his knee heals properly. That's end of the today's session. Thank you very much. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.